Hi, I'm Sherman with Highland Lapidary. I'm going to talk to you today about how to eliminate leaking out of your EverClean if there's leaking, if that happens. We did two things that were both good and bad. So if you look at the pump back here, that's our turbo pump. Now we just came out with a new turbo pump which has got a black cover. You can see that's a green cover. The black turbo pump pumps even more. The good news is it pumps more. The bad news is if it's pumping too fast, it overwhelms your EverClean, and then you get leaking coming out of the side or out of the motor, which is not a huge deal other than it makes a mess. So what we've done on your EverClean is you'll see there's this blue valve here. This is a ball valve that ships with your unit, so if you're getting leaking, close this valve a little bit to that direction, and that reduces the flow of oil coming through the system and causes the EverClean not to get overwhelmed and leak. Simple thing to fix. So, you know, if you get an EverClean and you're getting any kind of leaking out of here, slow down the flow coming out of the unit, your problem will go away. If you got any questions, do give us a call. That should solve your problem.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.